Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the subject name is environmental science. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic of Unit 7, that is a population explosion family welfare program. This is the lecture 69. Now, today PPT has been made from these following books and as well as from this link. You can go through this link and as well for this link as well as in these PDF books for more detailed information. Now talking about the today topic, that is population explosion. In the previous session, we have discussed about the population growth. So population growth, it means at a given period of a time, change in the size of population is called population growth. तो particular time period में particular area में जो भी population साइज पॉपुलेशन का जो साइज होता है वो चेंज होता है, दैट इज अ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. एंड द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ मे बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव एट वन स्पेसिफिक टाइम. द चेंज इन द shape of population of a particular geographical region is known as is called population growth. But today we are going to discuss about the population explosion. Explosion, it means that enormous increase in the population. So unprecedented growth of the population, unprecedented मतलब unwanted growth of the human population at an alarming rate. It is referred to as human or population explosion. तो population जब alarming और रेट से बढ़ती है, बहुत ज्यादा अनवांटेड वे में पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ बढ़ती है, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ जब अनवांटेड वे में बढ़ती है, दैट इज नोन एज population explosion, or you can say that enormous increase in the population due to low death rate and high birth rate. ज्यादा बर्थ रेट और लो डेथ रेट के कारण क्या होता है, ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा एनॉर्मस वे में जब बढ़ती है और इट कम्स टू एन अलार्मिंग रेट, दैट पॉपुलेशन known as explosion. Human population is not increasing at a uniform rate throughout the world. तो जो ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन है वो हर एक वर्ल्ड में हर एक एरिया में यूनिफॉर्म वे में नहीं बढ़ती, डिपेंड अपॉन द कंडीशन, इन्वायरमेंटल कंडीशन. हर एक पॉपुलेशन जो ग्रोथ होती है पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया में, इट इज नॉट अ यूनिफॉर्म, it vary depend upon the region or depend upon the country or depend upon the place. Population increase can be better understood in the form of doubling time. The doubling time is a number of years needed for a population to double, and it vary from 25 years in developing country to 100 years in developed nation. China has a highest population and India is the second populated country. In India, UP, Bihar, MP, Rajasthan have more growth rate and less literacy rate. So we have discussed that we know that in 20th century, the human population has grown much faster than the ever before. And between 1950 to 1990, it is just 40 years, the population crossed 5 million mark, with the current addition of about 92 million every year. So we can suppose how fast this population is growth, and it comes to an alarming state. तो population बहुत explosion हो रहा है, बहुत alarming stage में आ चुकी है और ऐसे स्टेज में आ चुकी है जिससे कि बहुत ज्यादा एक डेंजरस कंडीशन में पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज कर रही है. और हमारी जो कंट्री है दैट इज अ सेकंड पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री बन गई. तो एक्सप्लोजन के बारे में अगर देखें तो मेन रीजन क्या है एक्सप्लोजन का, as we have already discussed in the population growth, there are the n number of reason of the population growth, but population explosion की जो reason है, it's basically similar kind of, but an introduction of the modern facility and reduce mortality rate. Mortality means मृत्यु दर कम हो जाना, modern facility आना, health care facility increase करना, increase birth rate leads to a population explosion. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा birth rate होना, मोर्टेलिटी रेट कम होना, मृत्यु दर कम होना और इंक्रीज ऑफ द लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी मींस लोग ज्यादा देर तक सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं. अर्लियर इट वाज 60 years, but now the people now life expectancy is around 80 and 90 years. तो एक जो mortality rate है, it's quite decreasing due to the good medical facility, and it also a major reason contributing to the population explosion. Here you can see this chart paper that on the 500 BC, the population is around 550 million, and now 2020 AD, it is estimated to through the according to Washington DC Population Reference Bureau. And you can see that 12 most populous country in 2025 population के comparison में, you can see that China is on top and India in second number, and the 12th ये top 12 countries हैं, and it is data from the Population Reference Bureau से पता चलता है कि top populated country है, जो कि मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्रीज है, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेटेड है. तो इंडिया इज कम्स अंडर द सेकंड. नाउ you can see that problem related to the population explosion, it is a same problem that we have faced due to the population growth. The same problem is arises due to the explosion, but the more dangerous condition arises due to the explosion because it comes to an alarming state and harmful for the human being. And famine in areas where the growth rate is and food production is less. Due to the population explosion kind of condition, famine condition can be created, and the more and more food production required, and due to the less production of the food in particular area, the famine condition can be created due to this population explosion. Political unrest due to the great disparity in available of resources. The political unrest, political disturbance और political problems create हो जाएंगी, job, food related problems create हो जाएंगी due to the population explosion. ज्यादा लोग हैं, job limited है, foods and goods limited है, and we unable to provide a good job and food and good quality of food and goods to the people. So due to this population explosion, because resources are limited and population are more, so an environment degradation by the poor agriculture practices. In order to fulfill the population need, the more and more production by the agriculture is required. And in order to provide more production, the more kind of a pesticides and fertilizer use. And this pesticide and fertilizer is degrade the soil fertility, and it leads to a environmental degradation, or it lead to a various kind of a problem related to the soil, and it create a soil pollution or air pollution or water pollution. So increase in population of air, water, and land also increase the pollution of air, water also created due to this population explosion. Extension due to the conversion of the natural ecosystem to manage agriculture ecosystem. The natural ecosystem agriculture manage ecosystem में create हो जाएगा. तो as well as destruction effect of the exploitation of the natural resources का exploitation शुरू हो जाएगा, because population की demand को fulfill करते रहे हम natural resources को ज़्यादा use करने लग जाएंगे, and it lead to a exploitation of the natural resources. तो natural resources हमारे पास limited है, हम उनका exploitation शुरू कर देंगे, over utilization शुरू कर देंगे, and inadequate houses. ज्यादा लोग हैं उनके पास houses नहीं, तो inadequate houses का condition create हो जाएगी, and it also lead to a population explosion, or to lead to a P3 syndrome. P3 syndrome means population, poverty and pollution create हो जाएगा से. तो explosion से population increase होगा, poverty आएगी and pollution increase होगा. And to meet the demand of growing population, forests are cut, ocean are exploited, ocean are polluted, or entire equilibrium get disturbed. And the growth population first faces the problem of food, shelter, and the other socio-economic kind of problem created. Even though the food is produced and the population growth does not show a steady slow growth, but explosion then may create a many secondary problems which lead to arise a more persistent problematic condition. So due to this population explosion, more condition or more problematic condition created, and like an increase in competition for the shelter, education, medical, and rise in price index, ecological imbalance kind of condition is created due to this population explosion condition. So in order to protect the population explosion kind of a condition, in India, there are the n number of family welfare program conducted to reduce or to to overcome this population explosion kind of problem. As the family welfare program, it is a old name was family planning program, and it means that couple adopt various methods so that they cannot have more than one or more children. Through this program, not only the healthy child or kid will be born, but mother health would be better and a small family will be happy family. In June 1997, Janata Party government organized the family planning program as a family welfare program. So due to the you can say that जनता पार्टी गवर्नमेंट के कारण 1997 में 1977 में फैमिली प्लानिंग प्रोग्राम का नेम फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया, और इसका मेन पर्पस यही था कि नॉट ओनली अ हेल्दी किड बट ऑल्सो हेल्दी मदर. प्रोग्राम का मेन मोटिव था, एंड टू अचीव द फैमिली program, or you can say that in 1983, on the recommendation of the working group on the population policy set up by the planning commission, the national health policy set up the goal of reducing the net production rate to 1 by 2000, and to achieve the family programming planning goal, the following measures were adopted by the government. And these measures are like motivate you can say that motivate program to spread the knowledge of family planning, means all mass media, newspaper, radio, TV, film were widely used to spread consciousness about the family limitation. तो ये इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किए गए ताकि फैमिली वेलफेयर हो और पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन काइंड कंडीशन को रिड्यूस किया जा सके. और ये पॉपुलेशन अगर इंक्रीज करेंगी तो पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन अगर हम कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे तो जो नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट है पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन की वो इन्वायरमेंट में हम इसको डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं. एज यू नो दैट वी आर स्टडिंग एन इन्वायरमेंट सब्जेक्ट, और इस इन्वायरमेंट सब्जेक्ट में हमें ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हाउ द ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन growth or human population explosion leads to degradation of the environment. And through this family welfare program we can control the population explosion, and we can reduce the impact of population explosion on environment. That's why we are studying here family welfare program, to reduce or to control the population growth in order to protect the environment. तो ताकि population की वजह से pollution हो रहा है, environment degradation हो रहा है, तो इस तरह की family programming की वजह से हम काफी हद तक controlling कर सकते हैं population की. As well as there are the n number of things are introduced under this family program. So as you know that इस program के थ्रू हमें ये पता चला कि there are n number of things or n number of step has been taken by the government in order to reduce the population, or in response of the population growth, the India seriously took up an effective family program start किया, renamed family welfare program को start किया गया. तो family welfare program का main जो slogan था, that is हम दो हमारे दो, and it indicate that each family should not have more than two child. However, it has been take up year or several decades to really effective. But through this measures or through this program, we can control, or we can, to some extent, we can control the population. There are the national population policy being made through the NDA government finally decided on 15th February 2000 to adopt the national policy 2000 to not national policy 2000 आई to view or to encourage two child norms, to two children norms के through population growth को control करने की कोशिश किया, and this came under the national policy 2000 के थ्रू. ये पॉलिसी में हम दो हमारे दो वाला एक स्लोगन स्टार्ट हुआ, जिसमें कि नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी 2000 स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड दिस इज 2000, सॉरी आई टू पुट टू वन मोर वर्ड्स. तो यहाँ पर तो इस पर्टिकुलर पॉलिसी के थ्रू हमने और कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन को, एंड दे आर द सम features of this particular policy that reduce the infant mortality rate को reduce करना, reduction of the maternal mortality rate, and universal immunization करना in order to control the population, and incentive adopted इंसेंटिव प्रोवाइड करना जो कि स्मॉल फैमिली टू चाइल्ड फैमिली को नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करते हैं, एंड फैसिलिटी फॉर द सेफ अबॉर्शन to be increasing the age of girl for the marriage not earlier than 18 years and preferably raising it to 20 years. तो चाइल्ड मैरिज की एज को लिमिटेड कर देना ताकि 18 इयर्स के बाद ही विल बी परमिटेड फॉर गर्ल मैरिज. तो इस तरह की इफेक्टिव नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी के थ्रू वी ट्राई टू कंट्रोल द population. And another feature of this, after this national population policy, the National Commission on the Population on the population control, National Commission on the Population has been set up, and the commission was headed by the Prime Minister to monitor the implementation of the population policy. In order to implement the population policy, this commission was formed, and this commission means basically main aim to impress upon the nation to urgency of paying attention to the problem of population control. और यहाँ पर मेन था कि इस पॉपुलेशन को इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी को करना, पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करना. तो नेशनल कमीशन भी बनाए गए इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल द. व्हाट आर द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस फैमिली प्रोग्राम, कि फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम जो कंडक्ट हुआ इसके क्या क्या मेन वेलफेयर क्या क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव थे. स्लो डाउन द पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन बाय रिड्यूसिंग द फर्टिलिटी रेट एंड रिड्यूसिंग द प्रेशर ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट ड्यू टू द ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. तो रिड्यूस करना प्रेशर इन्वायरमेंट में ताकि ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का ना हो, और कंट्रोल करना पॉपुलेशन को ताकि हम थ्रू दिस फैमिली वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थे. तो व्हाट आर द एक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी दैट कैन बी डेवलप टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. हम पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ के लिए क्या क्या स्ट्रेटेजी और एक्शन हम वी कैन टेक टू इन ऑर्डर टू रिड्यूस द population growth kind of a condition. So there are a number of, I have mentioned here, that spirit of open communication karna, women's ko empower karna, because if one woman is get educated then whole family will educated. तो women's को educated करना ताकि वो population growth को control कर सके, and collective visions for the health care, family planning करना, women educated at all community level, and creation of the action plan to meet the challenge to find cooperative solution. Free and equal access to the health care, family planning and education are desirable in their own rights, and help to reduce unwanted fertility को करना, control करना, and individual choice, human rights, collective responsibility. हर एक इंसान की collective responsibility, individual accountable उन्हें करना कि ताकि वो they achieve a balance between the population and available resources, as well as teacher, parents and community worker and other stakeholder should extend the range of the choices about the available resources to individual and especially women by equalizing the opportunity between the gender from birth onwards. Teacher as well as student can also use information superhighway to gain knowledge about their country's population, and the more and more people are aware about this kind of a situation and kind of a problem which arises due to the population explosion, then we can control the population explosion kind of a condition. तो ज्यादातर लोगों को जब पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन के साइड इफेक्ट्स और इन्वायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट पता चलेंगे कि इन्वायरमेंट में क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, तो सो वी कैन कंट्रोल द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. वी कैन एज एन इंडिविजुअल, हर कोई इंसान अपने लेवल पे स्टेप ले सकता है इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल द पॉपुलेशन. तो दीज आर द मेजर्स वी कैन टेक. So this is all about the today's session. Thank you, my dear student.